Hello friends. Welcome to Momentum Stocks. Let us play our opening music. So, hero or zero friends. Simple logic, we are waiting for a nice support level which is here. So we can enter here. Here is what we look for, a strong candle for an entry. This is going to be a buy trade in hero or zero. See, I have drawn this fibbo from recent bottom which is here till the recent top here. Okay, so entry here, and we have these stop losses here to eat. So this will make it about how many points? Yeah, 80-90 points is what we are looking for. There it comes for an entry. So we are looking for some strength or some kind of proper candle to enter at this level. Okay, okay, so that triggers our long position here. Okay, this would be our stop loss. Okay, it's going down friends, so this support did not act like a support is what it looks like. So entry is triggered, it has touched the stop loss, did not give any closure. 1:1 already done. Okay, so we will keep a target of this top, this area. Okay, this area stands like this here. Chalo, those who had the entry perfect, quickly hit the like button. Awesome performance, perfect performance friends. That's really funny friends. That is a quick momentum. Hello, who all are there in the stream? I see 3 people watching. Chalo, book 50% here, those who are want to book. The rest will trail till here. 1 minute friends, and it is option premiums moved up by 40 rupees, okay, just in this 3 minutes. I'm talking about 43,300 or 400 call. 40 rupees momentum, 3 minutes. Chalo, those who want to book can book, otherwise we can wait for the target. This is a perfect catch that we got. You can rewind the stream and see, this is where I told you at this level, okay, here, that if it comes to 38.2 is what we'll buy, and I was about to say that if it is crossing this level then we'll buy, but it did not allow me to speak so much. Also straight came here, by the time I was buying, it touched the stop loss and continued upwards. See, I know that I should have started the stream at 2 o'clock, but you can see the momentum that it gave before that, so it was important that I start the stream early. So who all are there? Say hello, good afternoon, whatever. Hello, this is another entry here, okay. For those who could not enter here, this is another entry. Chalo, those who, there are 3 people watching, okay, fine. There are 3 likes also, good, appreciated friends. But I still didn't understand who all are there in the stream today. Say hello, hi, good morning, good evening, whatever, so that I know. Okay, for Nifty, see, this is your important trend line. Banknifty, you can buy here with a small stop loss this area if you are interested. By the time we could even think, friends, quick upward momentum happened, and I told you 50% has to be booked here. Now those who have booked that 50% can re-enter here with this stop loss. So this would be the stop loss for all your positions, friends. here. This is not the stop loss for the 50% which you are entering here. This is the stop loss for the entry here and the entry here, both. Otherwise, when will you make money if you wait till here? Bhaskaran, hello. Yes, sir. I hope you entered here. See, this is your stop loss for all the positions, friends, on buy side. Yes, but didn't book little time as I am in office. That's okay, sir. No problem. What's important is understanding the logic, friends. Money will follow anyways. Okay. See, this was your breakout. Okay. And it made this high. We made this Fibo, and at 38.2 is what our entry. But we got it below that and we entered. After that, this was the momentum. We exited 50% here. And then it is coming down. Another 50% was entered here, and this is our complete stop loss. There is a second re-entry that we have taken here. This is our full stop loss. This is our target, which is here. So here it has come close to the stop loss. And stop losses hit. If this candle closes below this, we will take a full exit. Oh my god, look at that candle, friends. Came down only to eat people's stop loss. Weak buyers have all exited here. Chalo, say hello, friends, quickly. Who all are there today? See, hero or zero trade, we started here. Okay, my stream started somewhere here. When I was doing the analysis, immediately I started the stream before 2 o'clock only. And we saw a clear breakout of this trend line at retracement. This is where exactly I'll point it out. This is where I was telling at this candle that if it comes here, we will buy. This is the 38.2 level and also support, and this is where we bought it, 508 levels. Okay, we have booked 50% here above this line. Okay, and then it started going down. We re-entered with the 50% here, and now what is told us, if there is a candle closed below this line, okay, this is the re-entry, then we will take complete exit. Okay, this candle has to close below the blue line, this blue line, and we'll take a complete exit. What's a Nifty? Nifty, this is an important trend line, friends. Cross of this trend line can initiate a buy. Here, as soon as it crosses, we will buy, and this would be the target, the top. Banknifty, what it has done is, in these two candles, okay, let me first delete this. In these two candles, what it has done is, these are two candles, okay, what it has done is, weak buyers have exited here. Now it will go ahead and shoot up. It is making it appear like a head and shoulder now. Head, this is your left shoulder, head and right shoulder. Here people will go short. And that's when those trapped people is what will take down. See, good part about this trade is, friends, we have already booked 50% here. Okay, and the re-entry of that 50% is here. So we have already made this much money. To show you how much, entry to this area, 56 points were already captured. Okay, and then re-entry was here. Nifty has to cross this trend line, friends. That's when we will start thinking of buying. At this point, what is happening is, this is the situation. See, what is this called? Can someone tell me? Can someone tell me what is this called? What is this blue thing called in Nifty? I am looking at the chart and there is no answer. People make it interactive, otherwise only I will be talking and then I'll also lose interest. Question is, what is this called? Wedge. No, not a wedge, friends. This is a triangle pattern. Okay, breakout of triangle pattern, you can see a nice momentum. Wedges like this. Okay, this is a upward wedge. This is how wedge looks like. This is, see, this line is coming downwards and this line is going upwards, so it is called a triangular pattern. Ascending triangle, yeah, ascending triangle, very close, but yeah. And we enter at the breakout of ascending triangle. Okay, when the breakout happens and if it retraces here, this is our entry, and as per book this is the target. This would be the target, but this is a bookish target. On expiry and all, we should not be expecting such targets. Okay, in the meantime, Hero MotoCorp was bought here in front of you. Okay, it is performing okay, not bad. Sun Pharma, we didn't get an entry yet. This area is what I told you, we will look for an entry. This would have been a good entry at resistance. If this entry was triggered, by now your stop loss is gone. Chalo, here the options premium is decreasing quickly, so we will take a full exit. Okay, let's wait. Here what is happening is, Okay, let's wait for this red line to break actually. If the red line, there is a candle closing below the red line, we will exit. Because I see that there is a possibility of this breakout. Okay, so this is your downward wedge. Okay, not a very perfect downward wedge, book perfect, but this is how a downward wedge looks like. Now when this breaks, it won't retrace. As soon as this wedge breaks, it will not retest, it will straight go. Instead of a retest, it will straight go like this. From here it will straight go up. See, in spite of we seeing everything wedge and all, if it goes below this, we are exiting. That is our rule, simple. Because this wedge will continue to be like this. After some time it will go here. We are still looking at the wedge. And this will look something like this. So we are still looking at the wedge, but our stop loss is gone, and that's not what we want. Okay, remember that point. Ascending triangle, yeah. So there are 4 people watching and only 3 likes, friends. Hit that like button quickly. Those who entered here, they saw very good profit, friends. Banknifty has started with a double bottom. Okay, it went up, and then there was a retest like this here, and this is where we entered, friends. See, this is called your breakout. Unless this candle doesn't close above the point. If it closes above the blue line, it is a breakout. Nifty will also give a breakout if I'm not wrong. See, breakout followed by small retest. Don't expect a very big retest. Okay, back in zone. Candle is not closing inside the wedge. back in the wedge, but it closed one candle above this, so consider this as a small breakout only, friends. Yeah, sometimes what happens is the candles that gets formed are not perfect. Oh, this is the story. See, what did I do? I just moved to 2 minutes and back to 1 minute, and this is the story. The breakout is only not done. Nice momentum. This was the top. It will face some rejection there. Okay. It has faced rejection exactly at this area. See, I was about to say, those who are, if you want to book 50%, book it at this level. But before that is what it retraced quickly, faced that rejection. But no worries. What has happened is, see friends, I'll show you something here. This area has been already tested once. Here it has been tested twice. So now chances of outbreak is very high. After so many tests, what happens is, if there is a strong seller here, okay, say for example at around 80 or 75 we have a strong seller, okay, he will have some 2000, 3000, 5000, 10,000 quantity. So every time that it is coming there, right, his some 20-30% of quantity is getting sold. Okay, finally first, second, third, fourth, fifth time what happens is that quantity gets over. As soon as the quantity gets over, you will see a breakout. It will straight go up. See, this is just an example that I'm giving you. This is how you have to understand things. to give you a better understanding, let me talk this way now. See, this is a wall. Okay, so it has been hammered multiple times here. First time when someone hit it, nothing happened. Second time when someone hit it, but the wall became little weak. Third time it became more weak. Fourth time it became more weak, and fifth time when it was broken. That is the simple logic. And this is the top, which is also our target. That gives us an opportunity to play the bigul. Hero Zero has been performing wonderfully well. Where is the sky? I was busy exiting, friends. Sorry about that. Nice little profit booked here. So that was a successful Hero Zero trade. See, this was your breakout and straight upwards, even in Nifty. Chalo, quickly go ahead and hit the like button, those of us who are joined late. In a row, there are 3 Hero Zero that met the target, friends. Great. All the 3 are there in the channel. If you want to see, please visit the channel. So I took an exit somewhere here, friends, this area, in both the trades. Okay, so see, this trade gave 1:6.77. Imagine how much that is. This trade gave 1:3.8. Chalo, hope you all understood everything about Hero Zero. Now see, the time now is 2:21 and it is time for all the options to decay. I am not interested in any more trades today. When there is a good trade that comes, we should book profit and say thank you. So this is the chart for Banknifty. Today is expiry. One second, I have a phone call coming. Okay, this is the position that we have created in Nifty. I'm sorry friends, I was on mute. I had a call. We will do the analysis later. This analysis I'll teach you later. See, what has happened is this is your triangular pattern. Okay, and this trend line is coming from the day high, from the high that was created on 9th. Okay, we are touching all the tops, and this was your triangular pattern breakout, and this was your retest. That is where we have entered. Okay, Bank Nifty, we have entered here and re-entry here. 50% was booked here. Same 50% gave us this kind of returns. Nifty, we have entered here. Okay, this also will trail a little. So let's keep it at the top first, and we'll play the biggle and then we'll trail. I have booked 80% of the position and 20% holding. Very good, sir. And I suppose we are talking about Bank Nifty there. See, even for the 20%, make sure you trail the stop loss too. See, these candles are not so clear. Make sure that you keep your stop loss max here. See, this is your stop loss triggered, friends, in Bank Nifty if you are holding the 20%. Okay, another thing, if you are watching, look at the time on the top left, friends. If you are seeing that the time is not the same, now it is 2:27:30 in my watch. Okay, if you see that the time is not the same, you have to watch the stream in 2x speed. Okay, we are approaching stop loss in Nifty here. Okay, a candle close below this line is our exit. This candle has to close, friends. There it is. So that's our exit. Nifty is coming back in the zone. So now it will fall drastically. It will break this trend line and fall drastically. It will continue to fall, friends. We will not take this position on downside, okay? Because we are not interested in downside anymore. Bank Nifty back to pavilion. This will also give a very big fall now, if it has to fall. See, this trend line is broken. Okay, those who stick to the trade and don't book profits, this is what happens on expiry days. This and this. Okay, I personally did not take Nifty trade for a thankful reason that I was on a call. Otherwise, I was also going to book this loss. Bank Nifty, these two trades were taken. See, breakout followed by retest at 38.2. Okay, and 50% was booked here at the break of this trend line. Then it again came down, and here is what I entered at a green candle. Okay, it touched the stop loss, did not close any candle there, and continued to go up, and we booked here. I booked both my positions at this level. And then we saw a breakout in Nifty and a retest. What it did is it made a double top and came down. Chalo, we'll talk about this now. Is there any chance of any position now? No. It will go further down, friends. We will create a short position here. This can be your target. This is your breakdown, okay? Important trend line this is. You could have actually done a Fibo entry, but we entered here. How would a Fibo entry look? I'll just show you. See, from the top to this bottom, and this would be the entry. So now in this case we have to trail our stop loss above this. This would be our stop loss, friends. That's okay. This would be our entry actually. Now fine, part of the game happens. This blue line has to be broken now for a quick downward momentum. This one. It will remain sideways. See, this is a bear angle. It is taking support at this trend line. This trend line. We will take an exit before this, friends. Okay. There will be stop losses kept here. Okay, let's decide. I mean, once it comes till here, that's when we'll decide where to take exit. So your 38.2 entry is here. Just for the sake of convenience, I'm drawing it. Okay, this is your 38.2 entry ideally. Okay, but we entered somewhere here, which is a little mistake, but okay, adjustable. See, booking these profits is very important, friends. Someone who entered here, okay, just like me, and stayed, by now he has not earned anything. Here, what we'll do is simple, friends. Those who have not entered yet, yeah, mind it, I'm talking to only people, those who have not entered yet. They will enter here, or they will enter here after this break. Two places, okay? They will not enter in between here somewhere. Between these two blue lines, no entry. This entire area is no entry area. Chalo, you can enter here now and wait for a fall. Now 1:1 will book 50%. Rest we will trail. Ideally, if we would have, I would have entered somewhere here. Okay, this was a 1:1, easy 1:1, but that did not happen. See, it made a wick here and went up. You can see this is a strong area. Again, the same logic, friends. Okay. See, this was your wall. So it has been attempted to break 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th time. Okay, going back to open interest. $43,500 and $43,600. These are heavily sold. 43,500 and 43,600. Friends, those who are in profit in this position, book profits. Basis of open interest, I feel that things are little difficult. Even at a small profit, exit. See, this is your 500, okay, and this is your 600, and we are in the range. See, this is what happens. Those who are in profit, let it come here and you book it, friends. No point in staying in this trade for a long time. See, this was your entry ideally at 38.2 levels. Okay. In that case, this would have been your stop loss. Same stop loss. This was your entry, and stop loss can be hit in 1 or 2 minutes only. It doesn't need much time. It touches the stop loss, retraces. This was your ideal entry, friends. Okay. So now if it has to fall, it has to break this blue line and fall royally. See, the candle of 1443 1443 candle, friends, where it was at. This is your 1443 candle. From 35 would be an entry, and this can double. As soon as this area is broken, you will see this will double, triple actually. I'm talking about 38.2 entry. $35 to $61. What else? What more you want? Breakdown is done. Will it continue is a big question. See, after so many attempts, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, why is it not breaking? The only reason behind that is expiry, friends. In expiry, what happens is people keep doing buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. And that is the reason it is stuck there. Fall, 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 fall. And it is not falling. Fall, 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 fall. Another 5 times. So friends, I have taken an exit. That exit is not triggered though. I have taken an exit here, friends. Okay, so we are coming to the end of the session. This was wonderful capture. This was a okay capture, not a wonderful capture. So we are bringing an end to this stream with our closing music. Hope you people enjoyed and made profit out of it. If you did, great. Otherwise, there are learnings that we got. Okay, so we are ending the stream now. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day ahead.